Hi. This has been our first week of school. We've completed our first week of school. I'm still doing a lot of backlog refinement because I made a lot of mistakes starting out, and I do plan on trying to create a video on all those mistakes. But here, what I'm going to show you today is what I want to do is tie the subjects, or actually tie or link the assignments to the actual subjects. So the example we're going to use today here is the I'm going to remove algebra 2. So I'm going to search for it here. Oh, algebra 3. Algebra 2. So there is apparently I need to do this, do it this way. So this is my subject issues that I created. And I probably will eventually end up doing a video on how I created these subjects or created these issue types. And this is the assignment. There's a lot of them here. And I did not, well, one thing I decided not to do is just sort of delete everything and kind of start over. I decided let's just try to see if we can refine this particular board itself. So here we go. So I'm going to go into the subject, okay? And Jira just released a new quick key, and that's what I'm going to use here. I'm going to use Control K, and it brings up this menu, actions menu, and it already has link and unlink issues here. But if there was like something that was it was listed here and I didn't see what I needed, or if I wanted to kind of narrow down the list, I can do it this way. So here I am, link and unlink issues are what I want to do, and then I'm doing is block by. You can look up and look all these different options up, but here I'm just going to use is block by. So what I'm trying to say here is that I want I cannot close this issue, this subject, unless all of these assignment issues have been completed, okay? And what I want to do is eventually create an automation that will know to automatically close the subjects once all of the assignments are done. So that's the plan. So here I'm going to look for algebra 2. Looks like I don't really have to. So it looks like a lesson 92. Okay, I'm pretty sure I did not create that one since my naming convention. Yeah, and I do also plan on creating a video that sort of give an idea of a lot, like I said, my lessons learned. Also, I wanted to include some of the things that I think would be a good idea. So all I'm doing is all of her subjects here, which I don't like the way I did this. What I did is I created every lesson has a an issue. Now, of course, this is small enough work to be done, but she actually does five. She does five lessons in a week. So I should have grouped them. It should have been grouped. So that is one thing that I kind of regret here. I could have cleaned this up, but I didn't. So here we are. What I've done here is I've added all of these Algebra 2 assignments into the Algebra 2 subject. Okay. Now here, you can just click out of this, just click on anywhere else. You'll notice that all of those assignments here are linked with this particular issue now. Okay. And what I would do after that, I would just begin to kind of link the rest of them. The other subjects, I would have to organize it and see because I'm going to show you just in my list here. I do have three. Now, I set each child's work up as an epic, and under there, all of the assignments are here all of the subjects are here. And I did create icons so I can distinguish between subjects and assignments. Um, and I probably could, I think I can sort it. Okay, that's all the subjects. I don't necessarily want to see the subjects first. Okay, so here's all of my assignment, I mean, all the subjects. I do want to see the subjects first. All of the subjects. Then I would go through and link this particular subject with all of its assignments. Okay. So I hope this is helpful. Of course, I'm doing this video and it's still linking them because it was a huge list of them. There's a lot of things I would do differently. And this is only week one. And I actually think that there may be some other things that I may do differently again. As of right now, the I would like to give maybe a weekly report. Probably not this week, but this here I just wanted to be a short tutorial of how to basically link bulk issues to another issue. Okay. And like I said, what I'm going to actually hopefully do once I get all of that done with the subjects. Now she has my daughter has one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight here. Um, and I think everyone else sort of one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. He has eight as well. And then the last one, she has one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight as well. Okay. Well, everybody has eight subjects. So I think too, for whatever reason, I think I ended up putting so chemistry and yeah, I don't know. I'm just thinking about something else here, trying to figure out. Oh yeah, it's not even in here yet. Yeah. So once she finishes algebra two, which is she's almost finished. I think she's halfway done. She before the end of the year, she'll begin to work on her geometry. So I already got her geometry material. I was not ready to put it in here yet, so I did not go there. Um, yeah. So that is it for this video. I am hoping to do one just basically giving what happened the week here in class, our first week using this. And I guess I could show the board here. It's probably really for another video. So let's hold off on that and let's see if we can actually talk about that when I recap on what we did this week. So I really hope this was helpful and I'm most definitely did this video for me to help remind me of how should I be doing this. So this is part of the backlog refinement that I'm doing currently. Now, of course, this is a homeschool. So in a homeschool, even though I'm a scrum master, I'm a servant leader, I'm a mom, I'm a teacher, wear a lot of hats in this particular role. However, and at the same time, and I'm coaching my kids and teaching them some of the agile principles in the scrum. And not only for them, but it's for me too, to make sure I understand those principles. And and what that is going to do is um well, it's going to really help me out a lot for sure. And but with them too, for them to be able to see different things, I still have a ways to go in figuring out what reports I want to do, right? So, yeah, the background noise, that's my teenager. We're in the same room. He's gaming, and here I am trying to do a tutorial. So, imagine that. So, and if he's gaming, that means he's had a good week at school. Because if he hadn't had a good week at school, he would not be on that device. So, because that's part of the in order to be done, the definition of done includes it's part of his being released to be able to, get freedom to get on that device. Okay, which is a privilege. It's a privilege. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and it's probably is a good time to get off with him getting so excited about some of the moves he's making on the game he's playing. So yeah, appreciate your time watching this. So yeah, I hope I'll be able to bring some more helpful tips, tutorials. Thank you, and talk to you later.